Hi, in this video, we're going to do a step-by-step demonstration on how to compute basic summary statistics using R. So first, let's read in the data set called the sepsis. All right, and then we can do some inspections on the data set. So you can see it's 455 rows, 2 columns, and the 2 variables are treat and Apache. The structure of the data set is the data frame, and then both variables are now interval variables. Next one is let's consider the treatment as a categorical variable, so we can compute its frequency table. So you can see here is 0, 1. 1 has 224 and 0 has 231. Okay. Next one, for the continuous variable Apache, we can just do a summary of it. We're using the command summary. You can see it's here with all the 5 points of the summary statistic. And also it tells you there's a 1 missing value. Okay. And after that, so I want to really compute the individual summary statistics, mean, standard deviation, median, and quantile. Oops. It doesn't allow us to do that because there's missing values in the data. So you need to specify na.rm equal to true. And let's do that. And now R gave us the summary statistic, the mean, the median, and the standard deviation and quantiles. Okay. The simplest graphical statistics, we have histogram. Look like this, mostly normal. There's a little bit on the right tail. And then the box plot. Similarly, we can see there's some outliers. And then the stem leaf plot look like this. Since this is numerical, so it's displayed in the console. That's it. Pretty straightforward with the basic commands for the basic summary statistics.